We learned that objects are visible because when the light getting reflected from their surfaces. This reflected light enters into our eyes and we see that object. What happens inside the human eye? When the light rays enter it, what is that helps us things around us? The human eye is roughly spherical in shape. What we going to do in this video is understand the different parts of the eye in short, not in extreme detail. Let's begin. The outer layer of the eye is called cornea. It's white in color and transparent. Transparent, yes. It means that allows light to pass through it. In fact, cornea refracts or bend the light it passing through it. And much of the refraction inside the eye is done by cornea. But wait, it's not only refract the light but also protects the eye inner parts of the eye. It acts like a tough front wall of the eye, protecting the interior of the eye from accidents, and also does not allow foreign particles to enter. Okay, this is all about outer layer of the eye. Let's now talk about things present inside. Behind the cornea, the dark muscular structure called the iris. Iris determine the color of the eye. For instance, when we say that a person has blue eye, it means the color of the iris of the person eye is blue. There is a small opening at the center of the iris for the light to enter. Do you know what it's called? It's called the pupil. The iris actually acts like the shutter of a camera. It's control the amount of light entering the eye by enlarging or shrinking and thereby adjusting the size of the pupil. For example, when you focus the light from torch directly into person's eye, the iris will shrink. This is because the intensity of light too much for the eyes to bear. The shrinking eye stops the unwanted light entering through the pupil. And when there is less light, it expands, allowing more light to enter through the pupil. Okay, what happens next? The light entering through the pupil falls on the lens kept behind. The lens is a convex lens. Convex lens is a lens which is thicker at center than the edges. It's a converging lens. That is, its focus all the light at one point. In a normal regular eye, this point is somewhere here in the boundary called retina. Why do I say a normal eye? In a defective eye, this point of focus be either in front of the retina or behind the retina. We will talk about this defect eye in our future videos. But first, come back to our normal eye. When light is focused on retina, retina is at the back of the eye and marks the inner layer of the eyeball. Retina contains lots of nerve cells that sense the light. The nerve cells are of two kinds, namely cones, which has sensitive to bright light, and rods, which has sensitive to dim light. The message or sensation transferred to the brain along the optic nerve. Okay, quickly recap what we learnt about human eye. Human eye has a roughly spherical shape. The outer part of the eye I call the cornea. It's a thick white transparent wall which protects the eye from the accidents and keep the foreign particles from entering inside. Behind the cornea, the colorful part of the eye called the iris is present. It has the small opening at the center called pupil. Iris control the light entering through the pupil but contracting, expanding. Behind the pupil, there is a converging lens which focuses the light on retina. Retina consists two types of nerve cells, namely cones and rods. They transfer message to the optic nerve. There is a lot of information to digest. In the next video, we will talk more about this lens present inside the eye, and we also discuss its functioning. Okay, so thank you and thanks for watching the video.